You are doing the assignment on AP, right? We have done till case study. Have we done case study, बच्चों? Have we done case study, बच्चों? We have also done the question number 9. Please better no noise. Assignment. Please open your assignments. Right, students? So we have done till question number 9. So today I'll start with the question number 10. Solve the equation. Question number 10 is, equation is given to you. You have to solve this equation. Right, bacho? It is given 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus up to x, right, is equal to 287. Now, if you observe carefully, this series represents the AP. If you see, this is the first term, second term, first term is 1, second term is 4, third term is 7. If you observe, the common difference is same, hence it is an AP, right? It is an AP. Now what is the common difference? Common difference D is 4 minus 1, that is 3. First term is A. First of all, what is given? The sum of this series is equal to 287. Means we have to find x. Now to find out x, first we need to find out the number of terms. How we can find out the number of terms? The sum of the terms is given 287. D is given 3. A is 1. So we have to find first n. How to find out n? Now we can apply the formula of Sn here. What is the formula of Sn? Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can apply this formula and find out the value of d. Right, students? So what is Sn? 287 equal to n by 2. What is A? A is 1. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. 2 से multiply किया student this side equal to n. This become 2 plus 3n minus 3. Right? Any step not clear till now? किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कोई चीज नहीं क्लियर है, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. Anyone have not understood anything till now? Now student, this will form a quadratic equation. इसको multiply किया तो this become 574. This will become n into 3n minus 1. Right? So open the bracket. 574 equal to 3n square minus n. Right? Take 574 on the other side. So now this is a quadratic equation which we need to solve. How to solve this quadratic equation? You can either factorize this or you can do it by the quadratic formula. Whatever you feel comfortable. Now I'll try to do this with the factorization method. Now what should be the sum of the factors? Minus 1. Coefficient of the n. What should be the product? 3 into minus 574. So this comes out to be minus 1722. Now student, how to factorize this? It's a big number. You cannot make out कि sum should be minus 1 and product is minus 1722. So just prime factorize this. when you prime factorize this, these are 574, those are 287, then 7s are 41. Now students, we have factorized this. If you observe carefully, what is the product of these three terms? 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So the product is 42 and one factor is 41. The difference of 42 and 41 is -1. So we can make out the -1. How? This will become 3n square minus 42n plus 41n minus 574. Now you can see the sum of these two terms is -1, and when you multiply them, this becomes -1722, right? So take the 3n common from the first two terms. 41 common and minus 14. So we have factor n minus 14 and 3n plus 41. Right, students? So now either n minus 14 equal to 0, that's mean n is 14, or 3n plus 41 is equal to 0. 3n equal to minus 41, n will be equal to minus 41 by 3. So n cannot be negative as well as in fraction. So we'll neglect this value. The value of n comes out to be 14. Any doubt till now, students? Any doubt? So the value of n comes out to be 14. This means x is the 14th term of the AP. So since we have to, because x is the last term, if you see this, x is the last term of the AP, means this is the an. So an में हमने a find out करना है n, and we have got 14. So we have to find now a14. What will be a14? A plus 13d. What is a? 1. D? 3. So this becomes, that is 40. So the value of x in this case will be 40. So student, this question seems to be quite easy, right? 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 up to x equal to 287. But this is a quite lengthy question. First you need to find out the n, and you have to think over it, ki what is 287, what is x. So 287 will take Sn. From Sn we'll find the value of n, and when we got the value of n, we'll find the value of x. That will be an. Student, any doubt in this question? Anyone, any doubt? Please raise your hand. Anything not clear? हाँ जी बताइए बच्चों.
Please give similar question to them.
Okay, sir.
On more statement you have to write.
Right, sir. Yes, students. So, students, I'll give you a question like this. Let me do the 11th question. The 8th term of an AP.
Sir, they are not having worksheet.
They don't have worksheets, ji?
Not have worksheets. How many of you are not having worksheet?
How many of you don't have the worksheet in section daffodil rose? Rose and daffodil. You people don't have worksheets? Where is your worksheet? Last time you have the worksheet. Only
Sir,
some
please write
students.
one statement on the book.
Yeah, I'll do so. So question number 11, students.
जिन्हें ना सॉल्व किया ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨੇ ਸਮਝਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਚ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਹੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ 50 ਪਰ ਹੀ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਸੀ.
Right, students. So I'll write the next question on the board. The next question is the eighth term of an AP is half its second term. Half its second term. And the 11th term is 11th term exceeds 1/3 of its fourth term by 1. Find its 15th term. Student, just look at the question. The 8th term of an AP is half its second term. Whenever you are reading each and every line, just convert that into the terminology of AP, right? Now just look, 8th term of an AP is equal to, is half, is whenever it is written is, that means is equal to half its second term. Half means half its second term. Is this statement clear? Is this clear to you, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now comes to the second statement. And 11 term exceeds means 11 term exceed. What is the meaning of exceed? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of exceeds? More than. The meaning of exceed is more than. 11 term is 1/3 of its fourth term. Means is one more than 1/3 of its fourth term. 11 term exceed मतलब 11 term फोर्थ टर्म के 1/3 से 1 ज्यादा है, मतलब मोर है. तो वी हैव कन्वर्टेड दिस स्टेटमेंट्स into the form of AP. Now we'll solve this equation. Now first equation is 8. What is 8? A plus 7D. Is this clear? 8 is A plus 7D equal to 1/2 of second term. Second term is A plus D. Is this clear, bachcho? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
Now we'll solve this equation. Take 2 on this side. This becomes 2A plus 14D equal to A plus D. Right, students? So what this becomes, take A on the one side and D on the other side. So this becomes A equal to minus 13D. Now we have got the relation between A and D. Right, students? So we'll solve this. Now come to the second equation. What is second equation? A11 is 1 more than 1/3 of its fourth term. Any doubt, bacho? Any doubt? Now what you can do, we have find out the value of A as minus 13D. Put this value of A here and here. So minus 13D plus 10D is equal to what it becomes? 1 plus 1/3 minus 13D plus 3D. So this becomes, student, minus 3D equal to 1 plus 1/3 into minus 10D. Anything not clear, student, till now? Everything is clear? Take 1 on this side. Right? Multiplied by 3. Right? Take minus 9D on the other side. Right, bacho? So what we got? Minus 3 is equal to minus D. Means the value of D is 3. So this is the value of D, 3. Put the value of D A will be equal to minus 13 into 3. That is minus 39. So we have got the value of A as well as D, right? So now we have to find out the 15 term. We can find out the 15 term. What will be 15 term? A plus 14D. What is A? Minus 39. What is D? C. So what it comes out to be? That is 3. So A15 will comes out to be. Any doubt, bacho? Just look carefully. First of all, these two conditions were given. We have translated this equation in the AP form. A and D की form में हमने इसको substitute कर दिया जी. When we solve this first equation, we have got the relation A की value आ रही है minus 13D. Any doubt till this point? After this, students, we have taken the second equation A11 equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 into fourth term. So we have again put this in the form of A and D. यहाँ जो हमने A की वैल्यू निकाली थी A equal to minus 13D, we have put in the place of A. Substitution method लगा दिया जी यहाँ पे, right? When we solve this equation, we have got the value of D as minus 3. D की वैल्यू पुट कर दी यहाँ पे, तो A की वैल्यू आ गई बच्चों. We got the value of A and D. दोनों को सॉल्व किया, so we can find out the value of A15. Any doubt बच्चों? Any doubt? A15 की वैल्यू आ गई 3. Yes students, any doubt? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं जी, अगर डाउट कोई नहीं है तो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Show that the sum of an AP whose first term is A, term is A, second term B, and last term C. Last term C is equal to A plus C, B plus C minus 2A divided by. This is the question, students. Now read the question carefully. First term is A. First term is A. Second term is B. And the last term is C. Now write this in the form of AP. This is A, B. This is C. We have written this in the form of AP. What will be the D of this AP? Achha, we have to show that the sum of an AP. We have to find is Sn. We have to show this is the Sn of this AP. What will be the D? B minus A. And what is An? An equal to C. Any doubt, bachcho? Any doubt in this? Now, can we first find out the value of N? What will be the value of N? An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is An? C. A plus N minus 1 into D. D की value is B minus. Any doubt बच्चों? देखिए, you need to understand the question carefully. You have put the value of An. What is the value of An? C. आप जो भी स्टेटमेंट से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, you just write in the, okay, from this series, first write the first term, then the common difference, then the nth term. Is it clear? Now use the formula of an to find out the value of n. Solve this. How to solve this, students? देखिए जरा. This becomes c minus a equal to n minus 1 into b minus a. देखिए सारा कुछ वेरिएबल्स की फॉर्म में है, सो इट मे अपीयर्स टू बी डिफिकल्ट, बट सिस्टमेटिकली करते जाओगे तो क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. सो आफ्टर दैट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. देखिए बच्चों, c minus a equal to, now take b minus a in the denominator, means n minus 1. So what is the value of n? c minus a over b minus a. This 1 will come here and plus. So this comes out to the value of n. What is n? इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, एलसीएम लेके बच्चों, c minus a plus b minus a. So this comes out to be, the value of n comes out to be c plus b minus 2a upon, this is the value of n. बड़ी अजीब सी वैल्यू लगेगी आपको, but we have to do it in the form of variables. Now what we have to show? Sn. What is the formula of Sn? n by 2. क्या फार्मूला होता है बच्चा, कौन बताएगा? Anyone will tell me what is the formula of Sn? अभी हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया था. Please sir, please send anyone who can tell me the formula of Sn. Any students, please come and tell me the formula of Sn. 3 सेक्शन है, अराउंड हर सेक्शन में 25-30 बच्चे हैं, 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. nobody want to tell me the formula. What is the formula of Sn? हमने पूरा चैप्टर कर लिया, आप लोगों ने. हाँ जी बच्चे बताइए जरा. आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी. Sn इज इक्वल टू 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ठीक है जी. There is one more formula. Who will tell me the second formula for Sn? There is another formula. Sn is, please tell me beta.
a plus an.
A plus an. Very good. So this is also the formula. Please sit down beta. Very good. This is also the formula. We'll apply this formula here. What is Sn? N by 2. What is the value of n? This is the value of n. B minus a. What is a? A is a only. What is an? This is c. Now see, we have to prove this thing. Just check in the question. We were supposed to prove this only. We have to prove Sn equal to this, a plus c into b plus c minus 2a upon 2 into b minus. And n की वैल्यू 2b है ना यहाँ पे, n by 2 है, 2b is also. This is the value of n by 2 into a plus an. What is an? C. So we have written this. So this is the formula which we have to prove. The value of Sn comes out to be, you can write out in the form which it is written. Right, bachcho? So this is the Sn which we have to prove. Right? Any doubt, bachcho? Any doubt? Please tell me. थोड़ा सा difficult question है. Please everyone note down this question. Everyone please note down this question. हाँ जी बच्चों, हो गए क्वेश्चन ये? इन्होंने नहीं किया प्लीज नोट डाउन कर लो जी. एवरीबॉडी नोट इट डाउन. नहीं, some people are doing it. Please do it better. कर लो बेटा, फटाफट कीजिए जरा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं फिर उसके बाद। चलिए हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चों। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द सम ऑफ all the 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Right, bachcho? You have to find the sum of the 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Can anybody tell me how to do this question? कहाँ से start करना है इस question को बेटा? Can anyone tell me how to start this question? Anyone please come and explain. चलिए, आप नहीं बताते तो let me explain this. So students, what it is given? He has told us that there are total 11 terms in the AP. ये तो clear है ना? Means there are 11 terms. Let's say A1, A2, A3 up to A11. और इसकी जो middle most term है, that is given, ठीक है? That is given 30. This term is given 30. How to find out which will be the middle most term? Student, आप लोगों ने median जब किया है last year, if you remember the median in the statistics, what is median? The middlemost term of the data. This is also the data. Total term is 11. If total terms are 11, which term will be the middlemost term? Who will tell me? Ajit, 6 term. Very good. किसने बोला 6 term? Please raise your hand. आवाज आई डैफोडिल में से किसी की. कौन था बेटा? Please raise your hand. Let me appreciate you. Who's there? You are very right, बच्चे. It will be the 6th term. How? When n is 11, तो मीडियन क्या फार्मूला होता है बेटा? n plus 1 by 2 means 6th term. So 6th term will be the middlemost term. Now it is given the 6th term is 30. What you have to find? Find the sum. You have to find the sum of the terms. यहाँ तक दो चीजें क्लियर हुई या नहीं हुई बच्चों? We have come to know which is the middlemost term. The middlemost term is 6th term, and it is given that the 6th term is 30. We have to find the sum of the 11 terms. How to do this now? A6 is 30, means A plus 5D is 30. Is this clear, bachcho? Is this clear or not? Now we have to find the sum of 11 terms. What is the formula for sum of the terms? N by 2. We will apply here formula A plus AN. A plus AN. Is this clear? Now what is AN? How many terms are there? 11 terms. So what will be AN? A plus 10D. Is this clear? So now what it becomes? A plus 10D. बच्चों, any doubt till now? Any doubt? इसको further solve करते हैं. 11 by 2, 2A plus 10D. Is it clear? Is this clear or not? Now S11 equal to 11 by 2. We can take 2 common from this bracket. A plus 5D. So 2 से 2 cancel हो गया. Now can anybody tell me how to do the rest of the question? Can anybody tell me after this step? We have got S11 is equal to 11 times A plus 5D. How to do this question now? We have the value of A plus 5D. Put the value of A plus 5D. मतलब A plus 5D किसके equal है? We can write this as 6 term. And the value of 6 term is 30. So what is the answer? 330. The sum of the 11 terms of the AP will be 330. Is this clear, बच्चों? Any doubt? Any doubt, बच्चों? सर कुछ आप बोलते ही नहीं हो, समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Please express yourself, बच्चों. Please ask the question as many as you want. Okay? जितने ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछोगे उतना ज्यादा आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, उतना ज्यादा चीजें क्लियर होंगी. So we move on to the next question, बच्चों. Next question is question number 14. The sum of first n terms of an AP, first n term of an AP whose first term is 8, and the common difference is 20, equal to the sum of first 2n terms of another AP, whose first term is minus 30, and common difference is 8. Find n. Right, students. So this is the question. First of all, look at the question and tell me whether you understood the question or not. Bachche, there are two APs, right? Let's say first AP is A1, A2 up to AN. Second AP is that I am representing by the capital A. A3, AN, उसके बाद भी आगे terms है up to 2n. Right? The sum of the first n terms of an AP. इसकी first term given है बेटा इस AP की 8, and common difference is also given 20. The sum of its n term. हाँ जी, time is over. What happened बच्चे? हाँ जी, why disturbance in the class, daffodil? What happened बच्चों? I am explaining the question. After 2 minutes you can leave. If time is over, please wait for 2 more minutes. Now the Sn of this AP is equal to S2n of this AP. इसको मैं डैश से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं बेटा, डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए. The sum of n terms of this AP is equal to sum of 2n terms of this AP. And in the second AP, first term is given minus 30 and common difference is 8. So now these are the two APs. Their sum is equal. How to do this, bacho? A 8, common difference 20. What will be the SN of this? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the SN of the AP. Now if you come to the second AP पे आते हैं बच्चे, तो A is minus 30 and D is 8. A is minus 30 and D is 8. So the sum of 2n terms of this AP will be 2n by 2, 2 times A plus 2n minus 1 into D. So this is the second AP. Now it is given Sn of this is equal to S dash 2n of this. So we will equate them. How to equate them? N by 2, 16 plus 20n minus 20. No talking, bacho. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Question will be over. And you can leave. 2n by 2 minus 16 plus 16n minus 8. Right? So students, if you will solve this equation, say to cancel and say n cancel. When you will solve this equation, you will get the value of n. Right? You please can note down this equation, solve it. आपकी n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. जी बोलो बेटा, बोलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. आगे आके बोलो बेटा, आवाज नहीं क्लियर है आपकी. ये वाला दोबारा बता देता हूँ बेटा. देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पे हमारे को 2 AP गिवन है बेटा, 2 अलग अलग सीक्वेंस गिवन है. पहला जो AP है बेटा, उसकी फर्स्ट टर्म 8 है. फर्स्ट AP की फर्स्ट टर्म 8 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस 20 है. दूसरा जो AP है उसकी फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस 30 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस 8 है. नाउ व्हाट इट इज गिवन, इस AP की n टर्म्स का सम इस वाले AP की 2n टर्म्स के सम के इक्वल है. यहां तक कोई डाउट? नाउ अब इसमें Sn का फार्मूला लगाया हमने बच्चों. Sn का जब फार्मूला लगाया तो ये Sn क्या हो गया? Sn इक्वल टू n बाय 2, 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. फार्मूला लगा दिया बच्चों यहां तक? इज दिस क्लियर?
यस सर.
अब दूसरे AP पे आ जाओ. इसकी फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस 30 है और D 8 है. इसकी 2n टर्म्स का सम निकाला. n की जगह पे 2n आ गया, तो जहां जहां पे भी n है वहां 2n हो जाएगा. 2n बाय 2 इंटू 2a प्लस 2n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. इन दोनों को इक्वल कर दिया जी. ये दोनों को इक्वल कर दिया हमने. इसको सॉल्व कर लो आगे. अच्छा, इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ये बन जाएगा आपके पास 20n माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स 16n माइनस 68. राइट? इज दिस क्लियर बच्चों? इस इक्वेशन को आगे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 20n माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 32n माइनस 136. इसको सॉल्व किया बच्चों तो आगे आपकी n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक है जी? इज इट क्लियर? चलिए ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक्स अ लॉट टीचर्स.